Hello and welcome, dear followers. How are you all doing? I hope you're having a great day and enjoying your time. Today we have a new and special recipe, and we're going to make delicious almond-filled crunchy treats together. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Don't forget to support us with your likes and comments because your support is what motivates us to keep bringing you new and useful content. Let's start by preparing the almond filling. To make the almond paste, we'll need some finely ground almonds and a bit of jam or honey, whichever you have available. Mix the ingredients well until you get a smooth and firm dough. Once the filling is ready, shape it into small, even-sized balls to make it easier to work with and to ensure all the treats are the same size and shape. Now, take the thin dough sheet used for pastries and cut it into long, even rectangles. Place one of the almond filling balls at one end of the rectangle and start wrapping the dough around the filling in a triangular shape, covering the filling completely. This technique will give each piece a nice, uniform look. Continue shaping all the treats the same way, making sure they're all evenly sized so they cook evenly when fried. Next, heat up some oil in a frying pan, making sure it reaches the right temperature for frying. Carefully place the treats in the hot oil, turning them gently until they turn golden brown on all sides. Once all the crunchy treats are fried to a beautiful golden color, take them out of the oil and drain the excess oil using kitchen paper. Then, dip them directly into warm honey so they can absorb the sweetness and get a lovely glossy finish. This step adds a wonderful flavor and gives the treats a unique touch. Finally, arrange the treats on serving plates and garnish them with some grated almonds or whatever you prefer, like sesame seeds or pistachios, depending on your taste. And just like that, our recipe for today is done. A final tip to keep the treats looking great. Make sure to wrap the dough tightly around the filling so it doesn't come apart while frying. If the dough sheet is a bit dry, you can lightly moisten it with a little water to make it easier to wrap. In closing, I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for your continuous support and for following our recipes. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. See you in the next video with a new and delicious recipe. Take care and stay safe.